Hey guys, we are back in the studio again today, and like I said before, we're gonna do a few projects before we get back to launching new products and doing the full-on YouTube videos. Today I have a few helpers in the studio. They didn't have school today, so they thought they'd come to work, and they're gonna help on this project. They're gonna learn how to use a wrench today. We're gonna be working on these jack stands. These are covered in excess spray paint. All the bolts are not tight. So we're gonna revamp our jack stands today. We're gonna take them all apart and we're gonna get them sandblasted, powder coated, looking like new. Also, I wanted to put some casters on these so I don't have to carry them around the studio. So yeah, today we're gonna be working on that. All right, girls, you're fed, you had lunch, you got everything apart. This is our pile of parts. How do you feel?
Good. I feel good.
How'd you feel about the project? Did you learn how to take nuts and bolts apart?
Yes, from watching you. Yeah.
Okay. So this has been their little project. We're gonna get these over to powder coating. We're gonna get them wired up for the sandblaster to get them all cleaned up, and we'll see if they clean up nicely. It should come off pretty easily. It's just paint. They might have some powder coat underneath, but these are ratty. But we're gonna give them a fresh coat. We just got all new nuts and bolts too. We're gonna drill some holes in the feet so we can add casters, because I don't want to carry these around the studio anymore. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. I have my girls back in the shop finally. Now it's been, how long? Like a week? We sandblasted them. We got them powder coated. It's their spring break. How are you guys feeling?
I want to go to bed.
Want to go to bed, Harper?
She woke me up. I'm so tired and cold.
They're tired. They don't want to be here. But if my dad did anything for me, is he taught me how to work. And I'm going to teach my girls how to work. And one of the best things he did growing up was to tell me to figure it out. So girls, you're gonna do a little figuring out today.
A little?
So you took,
put them all back together.
Yep, you took the jack stands apart. Do you remember how to put them back together?
No.
Well, you're gonna figure it out.
Oh my God. Okay.
So let's get at it. Let's see how they do. We are back from lunch, and
Yummy.
there's been some fighting. There's been some sisterly love. Yeah?
Okay.
What have you guys learned so far?
It's weird because this one just took 3 hours and this one took less than an hour. Probably
So-
since we have practice on it.
So this first one took 3 hours.
This one took less than an hour.
Dad put together this one as an example because they were struggling.
Bro, you're so mean.
And we got one more, right?
Yeah.
Still have not gotten
Yeah,
grease.
you win.
Every time I go to the other shop, I get pulled into production, and I mean that's just part of running a business.
Okay. Well, yeah, bro.
So I gotta get grease. You guys are gonna put the last one together. We'll tighten it all up.
No, I think we should make it fair by you do 2 and we do
There's
2.
2 of you.
But guess what?
You
We
should
did
do
that one
2/3. Hey, I'm the boss. So they're gonna get back at it. Get these wrapped up. These girls were begging me to be in a YouTube video. Do you want to do another one?
Not like this one.
Not like this one either.
Oh. So YouTube videos are actually a little bit of work.
I know, but this.
What do you mean a little bit?
This is the easiest video I've ever done.
What's the hardest then?
The JK long arm install. Holy cow, am I excited to finally be using these jack stands. They are true core 4x4 black and orange. We got casters on 3 of them because they didn't have enough casters for all 4, but I don't mind having one with a flat base. At least I won't have to be carrying these around the studio anymore. And we got the locking wheels. I'm stoked to be back making content. We're gonna be doing the Ford. Then we're gonna be getting an LJ in the shop and showing you guys how to do the short arm kit on that Jeep. So stay tuned for that. But for now, we're done. Please like, comment, subscribe if you like this sort of content where I involve the family. We do a few projects around the shop. Let us know. Comment down below. Any last words?
No.
I don't know.
What, Harper?
I want to go to bed.
Back to spring break?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, we'll catch you in the next one.